I bet you didn't know this. Nearly half of American adults have high blood pressure. Many don't even know they have it. To help you know whether you have high blood pressure, we have listed the ways to diagnose it. Go to a doctor and get your blood pressure checked. They'll use a blood pressure cuff, stethoscope, gauge, or electronic sensor. Or, if you want to measure it at home, you can buy a digital BP machine from a local pharmacy. You need to understand the meaning of your blood pressure numbers. If your systolic blood pressure is 140 or higher, or your diastolic blood pressure is 90 or higher, you have high blood pressure. If you have additional cardiac risk factors, your systolic blood pressure is 130 or higher, and your diastolic blood pressure is 80 or higher, your doctor may diagnose you with high blood pressure. Seek immediate medical help if you find yourself having unusually high numbers. By taking action to treat high blood pressure, you can help protect yourself against heart disease and stroke.